Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayas. I am the student of Rehan School, Islamabad, F8 campus at foundation level. So today, viewers, my TEDx topic is Finding Your Passion by Neelam Hanif. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I want to talk about the inspiring TEDx talk Finding Your Passion by Neelam Hanif. In this motivational talk, Neelam Hanif explained that passion is not something people simply discover overnight. It often develops through curiosity, effort, and consistent exploration. She reminds us that finding your passion is a journey, not a single moment of realization. One key lesson from her talk is that many people feel pressure to have their entire future figured out immediately. But in reality, passion grows when we try new things, learn from experience, and stay open to opportunities. Neelam also emphasizes that passion alone is not enough. To truly succeed, passion must be supported by discipline, hard work, and perseverance. Loving something gives us motivation, but commitment is what turns that passion into achievement. Another powerful point from her talk is that failure and uncertainty in natural parts of the process. Sometimes we only discover that we love after learning what does not fit us. In conclusion, finding your passion teaches that discovering what we love takes patience, exploration, and dedication. Again, I revise this line. In conclusion, finding your passion teaches us that discovering what we love takes patience, exploration, and dedication. Thank you. So, viewer, this is my TEDx on the topic of finding your passion by Neelam Hanif. So, this is successfully done. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.